All right, today inside Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station, 26 minutes past 12 o'clock. Beautiful Friday afternoon, April 28, 2023. This is not the weekend edition of the midday show workchop. You're inside live on top Naija FM 102.7. The first voice, NINIOLA. My name is Godwin Aruwaya. There with my partner, Lady J. All right, but for now, we'll talk about the Afro House Queen herself. She's there inside the studio. The very delectable, beautiful, hot NINIOLA.
I beg. That small shop where you can't tell them, say, make them brief for your wife birthday tomorrow. So your wife not there around?
No, she dey come on Sunday morning.
So how they all keep that small shop?
I'll put her inside freezer for her. Fridge, you go there.
So how you call one man?
Because those people know they work on Sunday. So that's Sunday morning like that. One man again. No, they will come refry them small again. They go come. I'm sure she they like them. If you give my wife small chops now.
Because she's not there now to defend herself.
No, seriously. If you give her small chops now, she go refry them by herself.
This is the first time I hear this one for my life. Okay.
That's what she did do. Seriously.
Okay, I believe you.
But your own, they go deliver your own now.
Fresh,
yes.
soft, succulent, puff.
Now, NINIOLA, okay.
I dare.
Now, three people now don't this, but now NINIOLA now don't give small chops pass for this.
Nah, but I don't taste this. You give me small chops.
But you don't tell where you come.
Now, when I see you attack, I no guys come. So I don't say, you never give me.
NINIOLA, the one where they send come out, Mike, do they give you? I don't send like 2 or 3.
When last you send? It don't reach like 4 years now. You said last year.
I said last year like 3 times.
First of all, Corona, you no sent. After Corona, you know. After Corona, 3 years, you no send anything.
No, NINIOLA, I sent like 3 times last year. Ask Mike.
No.
Now me said I Mike they chop the thing. No.
Last year, no. If you say you send last year for Siam,
I sent at least 2 times.
The DJ they give you small chops.
When the spirit leads.
But they give I see the. Yesterday I not give you.
That now when they say small chops now, they can't your special tray. No, they never give me that one before. But even at the pack when we get special show,
you see now she dey part of mine now.
I give her yesterday. She just resumed this week. She there on leave since 2 weeks ago.
I know, but she's about bring small shop.
Ask her what did she bring for me on leave.
Oh yeah, what you bring for her?
I don't bring anything. because we fight before I go on leave. Because if I fight, we fight before we go on leave.
The DJ said, and I'm missing entertainer.
Why they vex the DJ now? You know, say she be queen.
No, I know.
She be the queen now.
Into the vex.
You know, say teeth and tongue they inside the same mouth. They bite them. Teeth they bite tongue sometimes once in a while.
This one won't be once in a while. The one are back to back. Back to back. What?
NINIOLA, you there now? You look very beautiful.
Thank you, I do.
I don't know person wear red hair or colored hair they fit past you.
Now I just say now when I ever colored hair now 3 days ago, I just see the old wig. I said no, I no go throw this one away for where I find money. I just wash them, come dye them another color. Go to say na new one.
Oh, this one an old one. I change the color.
Now old one I change.
You know what you talk about? I'm not gonna say off me. Shock me because somebody else for your status with your status go say throw away the old one, find buy new one.
You know say me I dey do my wig now myself.
Yes,
so
true.
But you look very beautiful. In fact,
thank you.
Make I put that for Instagram. Make una come see
red there. All lights on me.
Make I enter live for Instagram because before they begin say, Mr. Godwin, go live. Let's see her hair. I don't put her. NINIOLA Day live for Instagram at Godwin Aruwaya for Instagram. NINIOLA, before we talk about your new jam, we can enter studio. More we talk about memories. When you draw that memories, I first confused. I say, I don't. We know say NINIOLA sabi sing. She get vocal. She sabi sing love song, and I mean from when she don't start. So, but we know NINIOLA. We know now like this designer we play before we open my, you know, Jim. Waiting, which one be memories? Waiting, she didn't remember. So I go ask you. So,
okay, so you don't say my root genre of music. The music where they do where na. I mean, not where, but my major music na Afro house where na dance music.
Yes.
But I see they do R&B. So now I can't talk. Say okay, I get some people where won't make I sing. You get some people wait. So those people they're not too plenty, but then they.
Okay.
So far I thought say I need to give, and also the things self they pay. Like when they won't use that for maybe movies or they won't use that for advert and all the so I need all the money. I'll collect everything. I don't go just streamline.
So this memories na strategic song in terms of for those people who want me you sing to them.
Yes.
And also for some brands we go feel use them.
Exactly. And also because I love them. Even though people wey like you now, wey like turn up, una too dey hungry all the time. Oh yeah, we want dance. Say me now calm down, no dance. Don't worry. It dey always hot.
The one where I love when I hear that song, I was like, Nini, what the man? I promise you be.
You dey sick. The DJ just want show off. Which one be? You want show off?
I don't want show off.
You shall be sick. Share your voice, carry am.
Nah, so she dey do me all the time for studio.
She sabi o.
Two things when she tell when they always dey show off. Number one, she go just speak Hausa because say I like the language.
She sabi speak Hausa.
This one Hausa again now. Go just speak Hausa for me. I go just dey laugh, dey happy.
She sabi speak Igbo. She sabi speak Hausa. She sabi speak Yoruba.
Yoruba.
She knows how to speak Yoruba. Then sometimes she go just sing, make it just make her look like say.
You don't hear wetin she just do now.
She be singing.
I just give me goose pimple like say yeah.
Wow.
If the DJ sing, give you goosebumps. If me I sing.
I don't want hear. I know.
Ma sing the sing.
No. Okay. No singer.
I don't sing the sing. Okay, so
no, but what did inspire that song? Because that one just be away from waiting all of us sabi.
From the normal
house. Just a hit note to go and say, NINIOLA. What did inspire that song?
So now also R&B. Like I said, I like to sing R&B. When I grow up, I hear R&B, I hear different types of music. So now why they alien to me? And that song now heartbreak song. So they tell for that song, the girl, they tell the guy, say, I promise you will never find another person like me. Olori Gbeske. That's so now just also for people who like to hear persons actually sing. Because some people talk say, Nini, we want make you sing. Maybe yeah, and me too. Sometimes I go talk say, me if I want sing. May not be like say, person just they do something. Yeah, so I don't. They make money with the fast song but I love fast song too. But R&B self get a place in my heart.
Wow, nice.
Okay, well, some of them are ready for Instagram. They talk to before we talk about the new song. I just tell you what some of them they talk.
Okay.
For Instagram, I just tell NINIOLA how to now they talk. Okay. Okay, I can't put for my hand. No, one cancel. Okay. Nini is beautiful. Oh, Spicy O'Brien say Nini is beautiful. Kemi_LA say wow, she looks good.
Thank you.
Tokwe Shola say Nini, what's up? She looks take away. Dare, it says you look chai Jesus. Oh, hey. See my all-time greatest Nigerian female crush.
Yeah.
Nini for life. So now Michael Kings. I am Balotelli says she's so beautiful. Come put plenty love.
Now the real Balotelli.
No, but that one.
I go to answer straight.
Francis Anuche saying one of my favorite female artists. Nini, I don't marry you for my mind.
Hey.
Okay, congratulations. We wanna do the wedding. Tolu Shotade. Now only for my Instagram they see you. Abi, you know if you call your guy one day. I look you this boy. You're a very stubborn boy. Tolu, NINIOLA, I love your wig. Noye Vicky, you are so beautiful. I love you.
Thank you.
Special light. Ma take 3. Nini baby, we love you. Thanks for all you do and the vibes where you drop for us.
Thank
you.
That
one now from City Boy Clothing. See her nails, Seth. And Diona said, wow, okay. Even me, I don't look the nails since Seth. I just like,
Again, they dance.
Okay, so we're going to see play memories in between, but NINIOLA get new jam today. And the moment where I see the title of this song, now Tupac first come my mind. All eyes on me.
All eyes on me.
Okay, so NINIOLA new jam now, All Eyes on Me. NINIOLA, what tell us about this All Eyes on Me song.
All eyes on me when I enter the patio. Hey, you see the ginger in the title first of all. Go enter the ginger in the music. I remember when I hear the beat. I don't hear like 2 beats before this one. I know to feel that. As I hear this one like this, now so I just they dance as I they do, I they drop out, they dance. So this song now about feel good song. Okay. Now about you loving yourself, feeling yourself. It's self-love. Telling yourself, say, I too sweet. Especially when they prepare for party, say, one back, then go take. When I enter that place,
they go hear
oh, God don't bless me.
So when you stand for mirror, look yourself, say, man, say that.
Now me be this. Now God creates me so.
It's me be this.
It's me.
You know why I know they shock me now? Because even from your days, your time for project film for the house, then tell you. I think na Mommy J now you say when they say everybody waiting, but when you talk you say don't you know you say you have very good body. You remember?
Yeah, I remember.
So and you know they surprise me. But and then you sabi take care of yourself again.
I get fine money ni. So
well, I be after the one I say don't go to see the fine money.
Everybody, who I come
if
be?
I go to see the fine money,
who I come
money we
be?
don't make.
all of us they find the money. Okay, so you know, so when in the talk say now song where you say self love, you look yourself, say man, too much for them to handle. If I enter there now, I go scatter everybody head.
I'm telling you.
You know, so you go say yourself in the tell because I don't tell them one time where you say because but I won't give you one gist in there.
Oh yeah, give me that.
2007 I dey work for newspaper The Sun, so I be this reporter, so I can't normally if I dey carry my wife go work, you know, we dey drag radio because she go like she won't hear music, me I won't hear sports. She go can't say, so we can't do timetable Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now me go play, I go listen to sports. Tuesday and Thursday she go play music. But this is na Tuesday I insist say I won't listen to sport. We can't quarrel, so I can't put on for sports. So I be after drag. And that was the best decision I made because I put down for that sport. When I finish the sports presenter, come announce say if you feel present like me, with which I just do now. But in English, say those are not cool FM. So if you can do what we just did better than us, but in pidgin, send your CV. Now they're not send my CV. Not the end of for radio. So thank God say I stubbornly no let her play music. I for no hear that advert that day. So as I can't go now, so why they tell you story? Say when they can't come in for audition, I can't dress, prepare, stand in front of my mirror, can't write my script, can't do rehearsal. Say okay, what are they go do for audition? So there's someone I come prepared to present the latest sports news. I can't do rehearsal for front of my wife. When I finish, I say, how far? What did you say? You are not getting it. He said, if it's what those guys do on radio, if now what are they hear those guys to do for radio, now you won't do. You know, get the job. She discouraged me. I don't already wear my shirt, my tie. I look myself.
Maybe you don't look good now.
No, I look sweet. So funny enough, now me be the best.
Or maybe you don't present.
No, when I present for a year, what are they doing? Now nonsense.
Okay.
But I mean win the audition. Now that's the thing I do. What they tell accept me. I mean I came first.
So because you believe in yourself.
Yes.
You believe.
So like say I won't listen to her now for just pull my shoes stay out. Say this woman say I know go good enough. But she don't be broadcaster. She don't understand.
Hey.
But it's somewhere in my mind. I look by say that too much for them to handle.
But you know what I want to tell you. You know say to say she no judge you harshly. You know go give that your best.
Yes. As she judge me, so I up my game.
And I wait till I talk. So I love her.
That's why today she still they get the benefit.
Because she said work the work.
Yes,
she said believe in herself. Say she get authority to talk to you.
Now the same way you look yourself in the mirror, say no, this mean needs to come into a song.
Exactly.
You know when I remember one time when you come, you see me they do
the knitting. Yes, so
when I start himself, even my brother, all of them they laugh to say Lady J.
Do you see your life?
Lady J.
Yes.
Nisha Gra. No worry, you go soon calm down.
No, but
today.
But when we come to say the talent they did, I me first buy from her.
Now you first buy for me.
Why you never said to me now?
What do you want?
No,
that last time I think you said the last in a show like you asked me say what
which color?
Any color.
Any color. I go use na bright. I like bright. I go use them.
Okay.
Pink. Yes.
Okay, so now we'll continue that business. Right now, you know, who produced All Eyes on Me?
Now two people.
Okay.
Caltonic and Nifkis.
Okay.
Nifkis co-produced.
Nifkis said, okay.
You know Nifkis now?
I know Nifkis, yeah. What was that?
Not mind Nifkis. Nifkis is good.
Okay. You don't tell why I hear anybody mention Nifkis. I've been there underground and they're doing things. You don't tell.
Nifkis, they produce very well.
I know Nifkis, so you don't even say, you don't tell, but okay, so now two of them produce the song.
Yes.
Okay, so now the song on there on all
platforms where they hot as they hot. It's there everywhere.
So if you stream, if you download, I don't know now.
I bet buy you.
We we just dance the song at the song they play. I need another teach us the dance step. And we go post them for Instagram. And I go see them for our page and everything.
You try, Sha. We see Lady J the boogie.
Alena, you know, say she just teach us more rehearsal like this. I try catch up.
You know you try that one. I give you. The fast learner.
Mention. All right, the inside Naija FM 102.7. I still workshop with the young with NINIOLA like this. You talk about the new song All Eyes on Me. NINIOLA, how far for video for this song? You go shoot video.
I go shoot time. We go hot. As in the song they switch for my belly already. People don't tell me say they love the song. They love. I say I do it for now. When you, if like for instance now, if you do wedding, you want enter, make them plan for you all lights, because all lights got to be on the bride. If na your birthday, all lights got to be on you. And if like you wait feel yourself, when you want enter any party, go just first send somebody go pay DJ. So when you see that girl wear red dress, wear yellow dress, as she dey step inside, play the song "God Lies on Me."
Wow.
Yes.
If you want to shoot the video now, they shoot them for Nigeria or they go abroad. I know what
you want sponsor me.
If you want that for Nigeria, I never did your video before.
Natural. You go just bring small chops.
Exactly. Now my contribution be that I will just flood the plate with small chops.
All lies on me.
So if na Nigeria they shoot up, I must be in that video. I go just come with my small chop.
Oh yeah, now.
Flood the place. Oh yeah.
Hey.
So we'll go arrange them.
We go arrange them now. We go arrange them.
Okay. NINIOLA dey inside studio. In case you want to see her face, enter Instagram at Godwin Arowayo. Go see me live for there. You go see NINIOLA face at Godwin Arowayo. The message is on there for NINIOLA.
Yes, good afternoon, workchop crew. Oga Godwin and my sweet Lady J. Wow, the music bam oh. All Eyes on Me is a party jams any day. I love the fact that she used Yoruba lyric in the song. NINIOLA all the way, gbagbe.
Hey.
Essay from Surulere.
Ha. You try to Yoruba.
Good afternoon, Mr. Godwin and Lady J. Please tell NINIOLA say I love that her song. #memories. This is Richard from Ikeja. I enjoy Naija FM. Make una keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, Mr. Richard.
Good PM afternoon crew. You say okay, Nini Day has the sweetest voice. Nice jam, Prince Jacobs.
Thank you very much.
No one does Afro House like Nini. Welcome back. Oh, Memories was a hit. This one na fire.
Amen.
Richard Lagos.
Richard,
thank you.
Richard, the way you tell that message, be like say be poet too. I like it. I like the language put inside.
Yes. Okay, good afternoon, Oga Godin and Auntie Lady J. That song make brain. Love, love, love. Ni baby. Mwah. Mercy from Bode Thomas. Somebody don't send message, delete the message.
Oh yeah, if you want call NINIOLA, call 0700 1010. Tomorrow we'll give space for like 3 or 4 people to follow NINIOLA. 0700 1010.
Good afternoon, Oga Godin and Auntie Lady J. Nanwachuku Peter from AJ. Bros, this babe sabi finish work. Auntie Nini, respect, much love. I go let all DJs from AJ to play. Naija FM,
Uncle.
love you.
Yeah, what's be your name? Hello, good afternoon. Hello. You don't cut. All right, 0700 1010. 0700 1010 or 0818 212 0734. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Oga Godwin and Lady J.
What's be your name? Where they call from?
Auntie, now Sante they call from our.
Oh, you're following NINIOLA talk.
Now Sante they talk.
Okay, follow NINIOLA talk.
I remember that your performance for this Lagos City Marathon. I say you want to love the dance move. Everybody just carry fire when you enter.
How you doing now? I glad say you enjoy yourself.
Right now, the race will run to come up our body because the dance fast the race will run. And then I don't thought we need the album where they will call No Bad Song because he said no you drop No Bad Song.
She need an album where she go title No Bad Song, Abi.
Copy another.
Nina know if you sing song when no sweet. You know they are
everything is sweet. Just feel this jam, yeah.
Always on fire. Okay. So when I go stream and download and buy the song,
buy ammo.
That has nothing. They don't really need to tell us.
This morning now they say the black say they no come on subsidy again.
I hear that one too.
What do you think about the way the country be right now and then after the election and this subsidy issue basically?
So one thing I go just talk to say, I don't think say anybody where they in right senses they happy with the state of the country. Things don't hard pass before. If you even go supermarket say you want to go buy something, by the time you see bill, you go they shout, you go they scream. Everything is so hard.
You they search your bank. They find what you buy.
Exactly. What to say what happen is so hard. And now imagine people where before maybe per day na 500 naira then they make how much then they make now. You know, so wetin I go talk now say yes, the government we elect them so that they go fit work for us. They are there to serve us. But even we as a people we have a lot to do. Because the people where the government now from family unit then come from. So if we no battle land from the family, make we they tell ourselves the truth. Make we they tell ourselves say no, she chop remain. Remember, if you want work, you got serve people, because you see that selfishness. I believe say it there amongst us, it there amongst me, it there inside me, it there inside you. So now make we pour jam so that Nigeria can be better. So let's not just only blame the government. Government get plenty blame. I know if you start their blame, but even we as a people, we have a part to play. So now wait till I go talk. Say from the family unit, let's teach ourselves how to love our brothers, our sisters as ourselves.
Okay, so NINIOLA, okay, what will be your final words for your fans and at least for today before you come off for studio?
So wetin I go just say be say, you look in the mirror, thank God for your life. Thank yourself for loving yourself and for taking care of you. Even if you don't love yourself before, start to love yourself now. Tell yourself, say no worry, tomorrow go better. Work hard, love people around you, and I just want to tell you that Nigeria go better.
So NINIOLA, you okay? That one I go ask you that one off microphone now regarding music, something else other, but we need to thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me, because I know they go with tray or small chops.
Okay, but so
Thank you.
Can call, make sure say your small chops don't
I go shop you instead though.
Back to back, and I go all eyes on me, and also we go follow him up with Memories by NINIOLA, after which we go follow Pastor D talk for property matter. All right, somebody for Golden Bridge properties is normally there, but traffic don't let when I they come traffic wise. Thank God say I live quick. Traffic wise if between Antonia and Bagada to climb to Milan Bridge and go everywhere don't block. So Pastor D no fit make am, but we go do am on phone. Property matter for today's edition. All right, so that one then they come after these back-to-back songs from NINIOLA. No go anywhere. You see the inside Naija FM 102.7.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.